This is the process involved with the formation of the sperms. Now we have talked about the structure of testis. That testis has seminiferous tubules, and these seminiferous tubules are lined by two layers. That is, one layer is spermatogonia and the second one is Sertoli cells. Now what will happen? These spermatogonia in the testis, they will produce the sperms, and this process is known as spermatogenesis, and this process in males starts at the puberty. Now these spermatogonia, which are in single called as spermatogonium, they are present inside the walls of seminiferous tubules. Now what will happen? These spermatogonia will divide by mitotic division, and what will happen? The number of spermatogonia will get increased. Now each spermatogonium which is diploid, because which division has taken place? Mitotic division has taken place, and we know that in mitotic division number of chromosomes remains the same. So the germ cells which were having double number of chromosomes, these spermatogonia, they also have diploid or double number of chromosomes. Mitotic division will take place, more and more spermatogonia will be formed. Spermatogonium, they are diploid, so they have 46 number of chromosomes, as in human cells number of chromosomes is 46. Now some of the spermatogonia, they may act as primary spermatocytes. कुछ जो हैं वो किसके जैसे बिहेव करने लग जाएंगे? प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स के. एंड these primary spermatocytes, now they will divide and they will form the secondary spermatocytes. Here the division will be meiotic division, so the number of chromosomes will be half. So here we are able to see that spermatogenesis, it is the formation of spermatids. There are three phases. First is multiplicative phase. क्या होगा मल्टीप्लिकेटिव फेज में? जो स्पर्मेटोगोनिया, जो कि सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल की लाइनिंग है, माइटोटिक डिवीजन होगा वहाँ पर, और माइटोटिक डिवीजन से मोर एंड मोर स्पर्मेटोगोनिया विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड हैविंग डबल नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. देन नेक्स्ट फेज इज ग्रोथ फेज. नाउ दीज स्पर्मेटोगोनिया, दे विल इंक्रीज because these are the cells, so there will be increase in the cytoplasm and the nature of the this स्पर्मेटोगोनिया, जो कि जिसको हम क्या कह रहे हैं? प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट. तो जो स्पर्मेटोगोनिया हैं उन्होंने चेंजेस किए अपने अंदर, साइटोप्लाज्म में चेंजेस हुए, एंड नाउ दे हैव स्टार्टेड बिहेविंग एज स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स.